14:30 Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central, Holyhead, Warrington Bank Quay, Wigan North Western, Preston, Lancaster, Oxford Lake District, Cambridge, Carlisle, Rugby, Motherwell, and Glasgow Central. This train is for 9 coaches.
Welcome to my latest video, where I take you on a journey on Avanti West Coast's latest fleet, the Class 805 from London Euston to Stafford. My rake for today is the 805009, scheduled to run till Holyhead from London Euston at 15:02 hours, but short terminated at Crewe due to issues with the train crew. Let's have a look at the interiors now. The seats are similar to those in the refurbished Pendolinos, although they are in a completely different seating arrangement. These diesel-electric bi-mode Class 805s are expected to replace the diesel-powered Class 221 Super Voyagers on the West Coast Main Line.
Unfortunately, we only have 5 coaches on this train instead of normal 10 today. So if you do have seat reservations or LNNBK, please note these are not available today. Also, please be advised, seat reservations are complimentary. You are not being charged for complimentary courses. Thank you. Afternoon, everyone's trainman speaking. As well, passengers join us at London Euston for 15:02 Avanti West Coast service to Crewe, calling at Stafford 16:22, Crewe 16:42. Only 5 coaches on the service today. Unfortunately, please note you have not been charged for seat reservations. These are complimentary and when available. Unfortunately, due to failure, we are not able to have seat reservations on the train today. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome on board this Avanti West Coast service to Crewe. The onboard slot located in Coach B is now open. Once again, the onboard slot located in Coach B is now open.
I decided to have a peek at the onboard train shop, where the menu is consistent with those on the Pendolinos and Super Voyagers, although the cafeteria itself has seen quite a makeover.
So what's that 2K color of influence and making and receiving feedbacks?
The larger windows from the Pendolinos make it less claustrophobic, and the seats are more comfortable than the Azumas of Elenia, making this the best set of Class 800s in the country yet. The train maxed out at a peak speed of 110 miles an hour, which was significantly less than the 125 miles an hour of Azumas and Pendolinos in the network.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this Avanti West Coast train service. Just speak to us with all passengers that be on board shop. Situated in coach B, the front of the train is now open. So if you like your stay, we do have a selection of hot and cold drinks and sandwiches, sweet things, snacks, and any alcoholic beverages. Today, the on board shop is opening.
On the flip side, while the seats of 4 have 2 charging points along the table, the double seats have a single charging point, which is unfortunately not so easily accessible and is found beneath the seats in front. Foldable tables are quite strong and can hold a laptop easily. However, there is no provision to hold a coffee mug. I decided to have a quick look at the toilets before I alighted from the train at Stafford. train approaches Stafford, it's time for me to pack my bags and get ready to alight from the train. Gets ready to depart towards Crewe, I feel a sense of satisfaction. I believe these Class 805 Everos, manufactured by Hitachi, are a step above any of the other bi-mode or electric trains in the country in terms of ride comfort, interior lighting, and being less claustrophobic. If you enjoyed this video, do like it and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more train related content from around the world. Thank you.